Hi guys, this is Abdul Salim from Jisan Academy. Today we are going to see math in JavaScript. We'll go to Sublime Editor. The title tag will go for JavaScript. Give math here. The body tag will go for H1. We'll give some content here. Close this H1 tag. We'll go for H2. Then we'll give some content here. JavaScript math function. Then we'll close the H2 tag. We'll go for one paragraph. P ID equal to the name of the paragraph. I am giving a demo and close the paragraph. We'll go for script now. Script type equal to text by JavaScript, and here in between the script we'll go for document dot get element by ID open bracket double quotes. In between that double quotes we'll give demo. Here we'll go for dot inner HTML. HTML has to be in capital letter, equal to, I am giving you a math function math dot pi, then close the line by semicolon. Now we will see the output of this one. Go to file, save it here. Go to the browser, hello.html, refresh the browser. Now you can see that this is an Academy JavaScript math functions. Here you can see that 3.14, that is the value of pi. Like this you can go for some other also. Now we'll go for some other, this one. We'll go to the Sublime Editor. We'll go for math function math dot round function, open bracket and close bracket. In between that we will give 4.4 something. Like this you can give any number. Now go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see that we got 4 here. I am making little bit bigger so that you can see easily. You can see that I got 4, that is it's rounded to 4. We'll go for some other function. Go to the editor. Here we will go for POW function, power of. Here we will give the this one 8,2. We'll go to the file, save the file. Now we will see the power of 8. Refresh the browser. You can see that we got 64, that is 8 8 jal 64. You will go for another function, go to the editor, we will go for sqrt, square root. Square root of 64 we will see. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see that we got 8. Like that you can go for, suppose if you go for 16, let us see what's the output we get. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see that we got the 4. That is 4 4 4 into 4, 16. Let us see the next one, absolute one. Just go to the editor. We'll go for absolute value, ABS. Suppose if I am having the value here, minus 4 something, go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see that I got the value 4. Suppose if I go for value minus something like 12 or 13, go to file, save the file. It will remove the minus from there and it will give the positive values. See, now I got just 13 there. That is the absolute. Now let us see the next one. Here we will go for math.ceil. If I go for suppose 2.1, I am giving here value. Go to file, save the file. Go to the browser, refresh it here. You can see now we got 3. That means 2.1, it will take the maximum, it will go to the next one, 3. Whatever the number you have, suppose if you have like 4.6 here, it will show you 5 there. The result will be 5. Like this you can go to the ceil to make to the upper level. Same thing you can go for the next function, that is the flow. Suppose if you have the value 4.8 or 9 whatever, it will change it to 4. It will come to the down one. Go to browser, refresh it here. You can see now I got it 4. Suppose if you have the value around 7.8 like that, go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now we got the value 7. That is the lower value. It will come to the down value. Let us see the next function, that is the minimum. Go to the editor. We will go for math.min. Here suppose I have a lot of values here. Suppose if I have here 0, 50, 70, 25, minus 2, minus 28, 44. Like this we have a lot of numbers here. It will take the minimum value from here. Let us go to the file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now I got the minimum value, that is 28, minus 28. You can see here minus 28. In these numbers we have the minus 28 is the lowest number. Same way you can go for maximum, MAX. It will show you the maximum value in this row. Go to file, save the file, go to the browser, refresh the browser. You can see now I got the highest value, that is 70. Let us see the next one, that is a random. A random function in math. Just remove this one. Go to file, save the file, go to browser, refresh the browser. You can see now we got some random values. If we refresh again, it will show you some other number. It will take any number. That's the thing from the math in JavaScript. Hope you understood this tutorial. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.